Another tool that I can use to make sure that my rules are correct is the rule usage column here in Panorama. Within each policy, security, NAT, QoS and so forth, I can use the rule usage column to see details about the traffic that hits each rule. You can use this information to identify any rules that are not being hit, and that will let you either delete the rule or change it so that it's being used as intended. For example, I have a post rule in the security policy called users to internet. When I look at the rule usage column, the information tells me that this rule has been used. That's pretty broad, but if I click on it, Panorama shows me both device groups and the firewalls within them, along with counters and details about hits for this rule in each device group. I also have a rule here in the pre-rules section for block TikTok. The rule usage column says that this rule has been partially used. When I click on that link, I see information about both device groups and the firewalls within them. And I can see from the hit count that the Chicago firewall in the HQ device group has used this rule, but the Berlin firewall in the branch DG has not seen any hits to that rule. Now, just because a rule hasn't been hit, that doesn't necessarily mean that there is something wrong with how the rule is structured. There might be, but what I need to do is allow more time to elapse before trying to fix something that may not be broken. So, I can periodically check rule usage information to see if the rules are being used on different firewalls. Over time, I may need to modify this rule or put it in a different device group to make sure it's configured correctly.